Today's manufacturing industry is required to respond rapidly to sudden changes, such as fluctuations in demand brought about by changing global circumstances and escalating social challenges. To address such challenges, Mitsubishi Electric, under the FA slogan "Automating the World," contributes to flexible and sustainable manufacturing by utilizing robotics and advanced technologies while supporting the entire life cycle of the manufacturing process. Let's look at some concrete examples. First, let's look at the production site, where we help to solve more advanced automation problems by utilizing intelligent technology. This demo system replicates the manufacturing process for lithium-ion batteries. It handles all steps of the process, from cell transport and module assembly to pack assembly. In this example, the new FR Plus series of industrial robots, which achieve higher speeds and more precise automation, contribute to further labor savings in factories. Users of Mitsubishi Electric's robots can experience total support from system design to startup and through manufacturing operations to system maintenance. Melfa robots enable manufacturers to quickly and flexibly respond to fluctuations in demand while supporting their sustainability efforts addressing social issues such as aging workforces. So let's look at some specific examples of flexible automation. First, in the design and startup processes, the 3D simulator MelSoft Gemini enables efficient process design and helps reduce rework during startup through line, equipment, and device simulations. In the next step of the manufacturing process, we utilize the SCADA software Genesis 64 and the data science tool MelSoft MyLab. Genesis 64 SCADA can be used to visualize manufacturing-related data, helping factories identify and execute improvement activities. It not only works with operational data from the manufacturing site, but also higher-level systems such as MES and ERP, supporting the overall optimization of production activities. Separately, MelSoft MyLab uses AI to analyze data in real time to identify workpieces with a high likelihood of having defects, enabling efficient and consistent quality inspections. Now, we turn our attention to operation and maintenance processes. Mitsubishi Electric emphasizes the importance of the customer's product experience. For example, IQ Care Melfa Support conveniently combines monitoring, inspection, and extended warranties into one package for our customers' peace of mind. Next, we will introduce our efforts towards achieving a sustainable society. Efforts towards realizing a decarbonized society center on offering energy-efficient products, as well as utilizing AI to analyze energy losses and provide factor diagnosis. Next, we will explain how we are addressing the issue of labor shortages. By enhancing manufacturing processes with cutting-edge automation and robotics, we can reduce manual labor demands. Additionally, by digitizing analysis and preserving expertise with advanced software, the loss of core skills can also be addressed. Furthermore, to make it easier for our customers to introduce robots to their operations, we focus on making them as easy to use as possible. We tirelessly work to ensure customers continue to get optimal solutions to meet their challenges. Through collaboration with such partners, we utilize data to identify potential challenges and to provide the base for integrated solutions that create new value while offering more customer-centric support than ever before. Our teams provide support throughout the entire lifecycle, including pre-implementation consulting, meeting customer requirements through system engineering, and post-implementation maintenance and operation. This is how we aim to achieve flexible and sustainable manufacturing, collaborating, and contributing to the development of our customers' businesses.